Hi, I'm Dr. Mahesh M. I'm an orthopedic spine surgeon. I've been working in Medstar Hospital since last 10 years with a last working experience of more than 15 years. I did my undergraduation from KMC Hubli and my post-graduation from MS Ramaya Hospital. I was the outgoing gold medalist for my batch in 2012. Medstar Hospital is located in a prime Sahakar Nagar on the main road. We have state-of-the-art facilities with more than 50 to 60 beds with complete OT care with ICU, with 24 hours backup from ICU intensivist and physicians and cardiologists. Per se, in our department, orthopedics, we have state-of-the-art OT facilities with C-arms, Leica microscope, Medtronic burrs, and complete OT system, camera systems which are needed for latest keyhole surgeries like Arthroscopy, laparoscopy surgeries. In our department of orthopedics, we do orthopedics related diseases like subspecialties like trauma, simple trauma, complex trauma. We also deal with open fractures, polytrauma patients. Polytrauma means patients who have more than one bone fracture associated with thoracic injury, head injury. We have a complete head-to-toe orthopedic related package. Like around the knee, if you ask me, we do all the keyhole surgeries like sports related ACL surgeries, PCL surgeries, major ligament injury surgeries. We also do knee replacements, hip replacements. It is like from skull to base or from top of the skull to the base, all the spine related surgeries, cervical spine surgeries, lumbar, most commonly spinal trauma. We also do subspecialties like foot and ankle surgeries. So we have a state of the art OT. I can tell that Medstar is the only hospital which has a latest Leica microscope with striker drills, C-arms, and also Medtronic burr, which we can take care of all the subspecialties in orthopedics.